certificate mo. Pinanganak ka nga sa San Juan. Ito. At kasalukuyan mayor ako nun. No San Juan. Alright? Pinanganak ka through hilot by a certain Rosario Mendez. Alright? Nakalagay dito sa dito sa certificate of live birth mo. At ang address na nakalagay ay 347 P. Mendoza Street, San Juan. Okay. Alam mo, matagal akong mayor doon, 7 na taon eh. Naalala mo anong barangay itong P. Mendoza Street?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Inusisa at pinagtanong ng aking mga staff sa mismong barangay at sa mga residente na kinasasakupan nung sinasabi mong address na 347 P. Mendoza. Yun ay nasa barangay Ermitanyo. Kung may ganong address na nag-exist noon pa man. Ngayon, wala na raw ganyan number, house number, maski noon pa. Ngayon kasi, naging 2 digits na lang yung house number, pero ginagamit pa rin ng mga residente ang lumang 3-digit house number sa PB Mendoza Street. At wala rin nakakakilala na sinasabing manghihilot na nagngangalang Rosario Mendez. Alright? And also, I'd like to point out, Madam Chair, that the place of birth indicated in the certificate of live birth is 345 P. Mendoza Street. Wala pong ganyan address o house number sa San Juan. Maniwala ka sa akin. Kabisado ko lahat ng kalsada ron. Madam Chair, it seems that the entries in the birth certificate of Cassie Ong are quite questionable. No? Walang manghihilot, walang Rosario Mendez, at wala rin yung address San Juan na nakalagay sa kanyang birth certificate. At isa pa, nung mayor ako ng San Juan, libre panganganak doon. Hindi kami gumagamit ng manghihilot. Libre panganganak doon sa mga health center. Nung mayor ako. At libre living doon pag namamatay ng mga tao ron.
SP Pro Tempore, tanungin ko lang ang COMSEC kung nandito pa ulit ngayon ang PSA.
Yeah, I think so.
So SP Pro Tempore, baka pwede nating i-bring sa attention ng PSA ito, i-check yung regularity or irregularity nitong certificate of late registration of live birth.
Is there a
birth certificate.
representative from
Meron
PSA?
daw po, SP Pro Tempore.
Saan?
Kayo po ba, taga PSA? Yes. Nakapanumpa kayo kanina? Previously. Okay na po yun.
Could you have a copy? I am on hold of a certification from your office that said subject, yung Ying Xia Li, allegedly the mother of Cassie Ong, wala negative record of birth in the PSA CRS database. At yung Ying Xia Li and Richard Ong Chow Hong, negative din ang record sa based on record of marriage in the PSA CRS database. Do you confirm this?
That's confirmed, Your Honor. Because the parent, the mother is a Chinese, so hindi siya pinanganak talaga dito sa Pilipinas. The father allegedly was born as Chinese, but parang merong pinapakita in the Congress, in the House of Representatives, that the father was naturalized. So kaya yun yung nakalagay doon sa COLB ni Miss Cassie Ong.
Kasi they have no record of their marriage in your database. Even though their purported marriage indicated in her birth certificate happened in December 13, 1998. In Manila City Hall. This is another case of questionable birth certificate issued through late registration. And there is no basis for the issuance of Cassie Ong's birth certificate. They should be investigated and they should be And they should immediately be canceled if there are findings.
Yes, Your Honor. We have already, launched fact-finding investigation on the ground sa LCRO ng San Juan City. In fact, ongoing pa rin yung yung fact-finding.
Ito, late registration. Pinanganak siya May 23, 2000. Niregister May 16, 2001. Mayor pa ako nito. Itong mga pumirma, mga empleyado ko ito, kilala ko itong mga ito. This has to be investigated thoroughly.
Yes,
Hindi
Your
naman
Honor.
pwedeng laging dami naman mga Chinese dito, late registration lahat.
Yes, Your Honor. That's one of the individuals na binabantayan ng PSA and are already subject of investigation, including yung mga iba pang mga may information po kami sa ibang LCROs din.